calling all renewable energy enthusiasts. We have an exciting proposition if you're concerned about MULN Automotive's recent stock performance. So prepare for an exhilarating ride as we explore more ways to invest. MULN Automotive specializes in electric vehicles and renewable technologies, making it a prime candidate for eco-conscious investors like yourself. You've gathered valuable information and are convinced of its potential, but now you're faced with a decision. Should you directly invest in MULN stock or explore the world of ETFs? In today's video, we're here to guide you through this crossroads. We'll unravel the advantages and disadvantages of both approaches, helping you make an informed decision on how to proceed with your investment strategy. Get ready for an intriguing investment journey. We will dive deep into MULN Automotive and explore some alternative ways of investing. But first, let's uncover the secrets of MULN's institutional investors. In the past 2 years, 57 institutional investors and hedge funds have grabbed shares of MULN Automotive. As a result, these institutions hold a significant 6.64% of MULN stock. We've got some eye-opening numbers to share with you. Among the 55 institutional investors that purchased MULN Automotive stock, BlackRock Incorporated takes the lead with a jaw-dropping $66.19 million investment. In addition, Geode Capital Management LLC, State Street Corp., and Vanguard Group Incorporated have all made substantial investments. This video is your ticket to uncovering the hidden gems of MULN Automotive and exploring the world of alternative investments. So sit back, relax, and embark on this thrilling investment adventure together. Let's get started. Let's discuss the top 15 ETFs with MULN Automotive in their holdings. As of April 25th, these include the nationwide Russell 2000 Risk Managed Income ETF, Goldman Sachs Innovate Equity ETF, ProShares Ultra Russell 2000, ProShares Hedge Replication ETF, and ProShares Ultra Pro Russell 2000, among others. MULN Automotive is a popular holding in many ETFs, which indicates that it's a strong company with growth potential. Before we go deeper, let's clearly understand what ETFs are. An ETF, which stands for Exchange Traded Fund, is a collection of different stocks or assets you can easily buy or sell on the stock exchange. It's pretty similar to individual stocks. The beauty of ETFs lies in their ability to provide diversification by holding various investments from various sectors or industries. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, you can spread your investments across different areas for better risk management and growth opportunities. One great thing about investing in ETFs is the diversification they offer. Investing in an ETF gives you a slice of various companies in a particular industry, such as electric vehicles or renewable technologies. This means you're not depending on the performance of just one company, which reduces your investment risk. Another advantage of ETFs is how simple and convenient they are. You don't need to spend hours researching individual companies or stressing about selecting the perfect stocks. With an ETF, you instantly gain exposure to a specific industry or theme without the burden of personally managing a portfolio. On the flip side, despite the advantages of ETFs, there are a couple of downsides to consider. One drawback is your limited control over the companies that make up the ETF. Over time, the composition of an ETF can change, meaning that if you strongly believe in a specific stock like MULN, you could potentially miss out on potential profits if it needs to be included or given significant weight in the ETF. In addition, investing in ETFs might encounter fees like management fees and expense ratios. These costs can reduce your overall returns, so you must grasp the fees linked to any ETF you're considering investing in. Now, it's time to dive into a few ETFs that specifically target the exciting world of electric vehicles and renewable technologies, with one standout being MULN. These ETFs offer an excellent opportunity to invest indirectly in MULN stock while benefiting from this dynamic industry's growth. Let's explore some of the top options for electric vehicle enthusiasts. First, we have the Global X Autonomous and Electric Vehicles ETF with a DRIV ticker. This ETF focuses on electric vehicles and embraces the cutting-edge realm of autonomous vehicles. By investing in DRIV, you can ride the wave of innovation in the electric and self-driving car sectors. Another excellent option is the ARC Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF. This ETF goes beyond electric vehicles and encompasses the broader landscape of autonomous technology and robotics. Investing in ARKQ exposes you to companies driving advancements in various industries, including electric vehicles. If you're particularly interested in electric vehicles and the technologies driving their development, the iShares Electric Vehicles and Driving Technology ETF could be an excellent fit. This ETF is designed to capture the growth potential of electric vehicles, offering exposure to companies involved in manufacturing, supplying, and even building the necessary infrastructure for this evolving market. When you think about renewable technologies, several ETFs deserve your attention. They include the First Trust Nasdaq Clean Edge Green Energy Index Fund, the Invesco Wilder Hill Clean Energy ETF, the Amplify Advanced Battery Metals and Materials ETF, the ALPS Clean Energy ETF, the iShares Global Clean Energy ETF, the VanEck Vectors Low Carbon Energy ETF, and the CraneShares Electric Vehicles and Future Mobility Index ETF. These ETFs are all about clean energy solutions, focusing on wind, solar, and battery technologies. Now, let's look closer and compare the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund with investing directly in MULN stock. VTI is an ETF that gives you access to the entire U.S. stock market, covering large, mid, small cap, and growth companies. It's often seen as a safe and diversified investment choice. Conversely, we have MULN stock, which means investing directly in the company. Putting your money into MULN stock right now could bring you a more significant return on a smaller investment, especially if the company grows significantly. But it's crucial to remember that higher returns also mean higher risks. Let me give you an example. You're standing at a crossroads, faced with a tough decision. Should you go for the safe and diverse VTI ETF or take a thrilling leap by investing directly in MULN stock? Which path holds tremendous promise? On one side, we have the VTI ETF, a secure option that spreads your risk by investing in multiple stocks. It's like having a well-rounded investment portfolio in one convenient package. But hold on, where's the excitement? What about the potential for a massive return on a small investment? That's where MULN stock steps in. Imagine you decide to invest in MULN stock, and suddenly the company hits it big in the electric vehicle market. Your small investment skyrockets, and you are riding the wave of MULN's triumph. It's like winning the jackpot. However, let's remember that there's a risk involved. MULN might not achieve the expected growth, leaving you with a less than ideal outcome. But before we continue, we want to thank you for watching this far. But let's go back to the video. So, what's the best choice? It depends on your investment goals and how much risk you can handle. If you want a safe and steady investment spread out for the long term, then the VTI ETF could be your go-to. It lets you be part of the overall growth of the U.S. stock market without relying on just one company's success. But if you enjoy taking calculated risks and believe in MULN's potential, investing directly in their stock might be more exciting. It's like going on an adventure where each twist and turn brings the possibility of a thrilling reward. So, here's the bottom line. If you want stability, diversification, and exposure to a broader market, investing in MULN indirectly through ETFs is the way to go. It gives you a solid foundation for your investment. However, if you're looking for a thrilling ride with the possibility of significant returns, direct investment in MULN stock might be your cup of tea. But keep in mind, and it also comes with higher risks. Do you prefer ETF's steady and diversified path or the excitement and potential of investing directly in MULN? Or invest both? You can invest in MULN as part of your aggressive investment while covering your long-term investment in ETFs. Let us know in the comments section below. Just remember to conduct your research, evaluate your investment goals, and seek advice from a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. That's it for this video, and make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Now, if you want to know some recent news about MULN, then make sure to click and watch this video right here and enjoy. And that's the end of this video, guys. See you next time.